Hello, my name is Emil.
Hello, my name is Ria Shaha, and today the two of us are going to be explaining queuing theory.
Have you been in a situation where you walk into an office and expect to see one or two people? Instead, you happen to find a never-ending queue. This queue is extremely annoying and can cause companies to lose their customers to competitors. So, how can you fix this problem?
The solution to this is queuing theory. Queuing theory is a mathematical study of waiting lines or queues. A queuing model is constructed so that queuing lengths and waiting time can be predicted and in turn reduced.
But before we continue, there are three important elements that you need to know. The first one is the average arrival rate, the second one is the average service rate, and the third one is the utilization factor. The average arrival rate is the number of people or items entering into a service system in a given amount of time. On the other hand, the average service rate is the number of people or items processed in the same amount of time. The utilization factor is equal to the average arrival rate divided by the average service rate. The average service rate should always be greater than the average arrival rate to avoid situations with infinite queues, and thus utilization factor should always be less than 1.
Queuing theory is based on four formulas, the first one being LS. LS is equal to lambda over mu minus lambda. This formula is used to calculate the average number of units present in the system. The units could be either waiting or being served. The second one being WS, which is equal to 1 over mu minus lambda. This formula denotes the average time a unit spends in the system. This time consists of both service time and waiting time. The third formula is LQ. LQ is equal to lambda squared over mu minus lambda. This formula indicates the average number of units waiting in the system. Remember, the units that are waiting only. And finally, WQ. WQ is equal to lambda over mu minus lambda. This formula should be used to represent the average time a unit spends waiting in the queue. Remember, waiting time only.
In our case, the red box represents LS and the green box represents LQ.
Also, WS is the time the little girl will spend in the system from the time she enters till the time she leaves, whereas WQ is the time the little girl will spend in the queue from the time she enters until the time she is served.
That's it for queuing theory.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.